Prince, that's your third foul. Cool substitution mula sa green. Pero dalawang
Kuya Juma, di pumasok.
Nagpintis ang una. Kuya Juma.
Talo din naman.
Goes 1 for 2. Balik sa 11 ang lamang ng Green Royals. 62-51. 5 minutes and 30 remaining sa ating last quarter. Or is it? Prince. Nahawakan ni Kay. Here comes Green Royals, trying to adapt to their 11-point lead. Sean, back to Kuya Jay. Kuya Jay, pick up by Juice. Kuya Jay will drive in, pero may foul kay Ken. Ken, that's your third foul.
Hey, James!
2 free throws para kay Kuya Jay. Balik sa 12 ang kalamangan ng Green. Isa pang free throw to make it a 13-point lead. And he does. Balik sa 13-point lead ang kalamangan ng Green Royals. How will the White Leaf respond? JC back to Paymax. JC for 3. No good. Kel, another possession para sa White Leaf. JC White left alone. Prince trying to get offensive rebound, but Kuya Ronel secure it. Pin back to Kuya Jay for 3. Short, but Kuya Jay gets the offensive rebound. Kuya Jay up to Tito Perch, balik kay Kuya Jay. Pass to Prince. Prince could not get the bounce, and Yuan cannot secure the offensive rebound.
Kaya nung cellphone yan. Sa ano, ilakay mo.
Basa ba? Lalaruan naman, okay lang yan.
Lead is still 13 para sa Green Royals. Kuya Jay. Pick up by JC. Pick up cross. JC tries to double team. And Kuya Jay. So White Sleep possession down.
Marco.
3 minutes and 25 lamang ng 13 ng Green Royals.
Uy, tumabi ka dyan!
Ay, nag-video ka.
Pahain kita!
To JC. Back to Yuan.
Uy, puta huli! Tabi dyan!
Slightly blocked. Sinecure na ng Green ang possession ng rebound. Kuya Owen with the leather.
Uy, tumabi ka nga dyan!
Kuya
Palit na
Owen
ito eh.
controlling the possession. He's got Kuya Carlo. Kuya Carlo loses the ball. Sub muna. Papasok si Austin at si Rans.
Nahanto ka?
Bobo mo. Yabang mo.
Bobo mo.
Yabang mo.
Bobo mo
3
ya.
minutes remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Prince.
Hindi naman, sakto lang.
Anak ng!
Another steal mula kay Tim. Tim laser up at Tim. The lead is down to 15.
Okay nang ina.
Another steal mula sa Green. We're all back to Tim.
Okay lang.
No good.
Takbo!
Takbo mo!
Rebound si JC.
Okay nang ina.
JC was secure. Kuya Carlo.
Kung magulo yun.
Bakit ganun?
All counted. All counted, ano?
Pupunta sa free throw lines with Kuya Carlo to finish at 3-point play.
Ano yun? Po! Akyo!
68-51, lamang ng 17 ng Green. 2 minutes and 30.
Last nga eh.
Kuya Carlo did not complete the 3-point play. Please, pero another win. Still mula kay Dean. Kuya Ronald could not complete the possession. Here comes Mac. Yun nga lang, natawagan ng turnover si Mac. Babalik sa Green Royals ang possession. They're leading by 17 points. 2 minutes and 3 remaining ng ating final quarter. Penalty. Mac, pangalawang foul mo, Mac.
May tape ka? Ayan. Ha? Dalang mo na yung tape.
Pin goes 1 for 2 sa ating free throw line. And we're twilight zone. 2 minutes na lang ng ating fourth quarter. Jules will drive. Another turnover. Pero napunta pa rin. Prince. Short. Kuya Owen has the possession. A minute and 43 remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Kuya Owen. He refers back to Kuya Carlo. Spinning. Short. Another missed call for the White. Here comes Kuya Owen. Turns around and scores the basket. Balik sa bento ang kalamangan ng Green. And another turnover. Tatawag ng timeout ang White Sleep.
Sagot ko muna ang otak-otak ka. Ba't ba kasi nabanggit yung otak mo? Hindi pinaalala mo. Gusto ko sa'yo may konsensya ka eh. Mamaya na lang ngayon na. Balik ko na. Yun na naman, makakalimutan ko na naman eh. Amin na may bari ako. Akin na. Meron akong 13. Baka makalimutan ko. Nung last week nakalimutan ko kunin sa'yo eh. Nakauwi ka na eh. Ano yun na? Wala na ako sa'yo. Ang gulo, lupit mo. Di ba sabi mo ngayong week dapat kumpleto yun? Talo ko hapon kayo sa nilibo. Nalasin yung balas ko nito. Ba't kasi pupusta agad ang first game niya? First half. Babawi ako dun.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Pusta ako series.
Sa last quarter ng ating first game. Our second game will be Black Clippers versus Violet.
Sardinas 3 buwan.
Kuya Joma, out to Kuya Lin, 3-point basket! Balik sa 23 ang kalamangan ng Green. Yung drive, will cross, naisarap na rin, kasama mo lang ayuan, may kasama pang layup. Tin. Kuya Jay mula sa labas. Misses that one. 49 seconds remaining ng ating fourth quarter. Ewan will drive. Ewan misses the layup. And Green. Ikakalma na lang nila ang possession ito. Hindi na drive si Tin. Out to Kuya Jenny. Lays it up. Tin. That's the exclamation point ng Green Royals for tonight. 23-point lead.
Bang bang!
Shot! Ang kaya jump shot! Balik sa 21. Kuya Jay. Kuya Jay will drive. A 3-pointer. Too strong. Runs. Do not secure the rebound. Kuya Jay. Back up to Tin. Plays it up to Tin. Yuan. Plays it up to Tin. Looks like it's gonna be the final score. 56